Hi guys, today, we're diving into one of the most burning questions in fitness. How many push-ups do you need for an aesthetic transformation? Now, you might be wondering, what do we mean by aesthetic transformation? And is this method suitable for beginners? Well, you're in the right place because we're going to break it all down for you. We'll cover everything from how quickly you can expect to see results to the specific push-up techniques that will maximize your gains. You'll learn exactly how often you should be doing these push-ups for the best results, and we'll address the big question, can push-ups alone really transform your physique? But that's not all. We'll also discuss whether following a special diet will enhance your results. And if you're worried about not being able to do that many push-ups at once, we've got tips to help you build up your strength gradually. We'll show you how to track your progress effectively and highlight any potential risks or injuries associated with this push-up routine so you can stay safe while working towards your goals. And of course, we'll answer the ultimate question, how many push-ups do you actually need to start seeing results? So, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan for achieving that aesthetic transformation you've been dreaming of. Let's kick things off by talking about one of the most fundamental exercises in fitness, the push-up. Push-ups are a powerhouse move that targets some of the most important muscle groups in your body. Specifically, they work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. This means that by doing push-ups regularly, you can develop a strong, balanced upper body while also engaging your core muscles. One of the greatest things about push-ups is their accessibility. You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership to do them. Whether you're at home, in the park, or even at the office, you can drop down and start building strength and muscle endurance. But why are push-ups so effective? It's all about the compound movement. When you perform a push-up, you're not just isolating one muscle group, you're working multiple muscles at the same time. This leads to a more efficient workout, allowing you to see faster and more comprehensive results. Plus, because push-ups can be easily modified, they're suitable for all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced athletes. Alright, now that we know why push-ups are such a game changer, let's look into something even more crucial, proper form and technique. Mastering the correct form is essential not only for maximizing your results, but also for preventing injuries. So, let's break it down step by step. First things first, start by getting into a plank position. Place your hands on the ground slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your feet should be together, and your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. This plank position is your starting point. Now, as you begin to lower your body, make sure to keep it straight and rigid. Your elbows should bend at about a 45-degree angle to your body. Imagine there's a straight line running from the top of your head to your heels. You want to keep this line as straight as possible. Avoid letting your hips sag or sticking your butt up in the air, as this can lead to poor form and potential injury. As you lower yourself, inhale deeply. Lower your body until your chest is just above the ground, then push back up to the starting position while exhaling. This controlled breathing helps maintain a steady rhythm and keeps your muscles engaged throughout the movement. Push-up variations and their benefits. Now that we've nailed down the proper push-up form, let's spice things up with some variations that will take your workout to the next level. Push-up variations aren't just about keeping things interesting, they also target different muscle groups, providing a well-rounded workout for your upper body. One of the simplest variations is the incline push-up. By elevating your hands on a bench or sturdy surface, you decrease the amount of weight you have to lift, making it easier to perform the movement. This variation primarily targets the upper chest and shoulders, making it a great option for beginners or those looking to build strength in these areas. On the flip side, we have the decline push-up, where your feet are elevated instead of your hands. This variation shifts more of your body weight onto your upper chest and shoulders, increasing the intensity of the exercise. It's a fantastic way to challenge yourself and continue making progress as you get stronger. And let's not forget about the diamond push-up, also known as the close grip push-up. By bringing your hands close together in a diamond shape beneath your chest, you place more emphasis on your triceps. This variation is a killer for sculpting those arms and building impressive tricep strength. But wait, there's more. You can also experiment with wide grip push-ups, staggered push-ups, and even plyometric push-ups for an added cardiovascular boost. The possibilities are endless, and by incorporating different variations into your routine, you will keep your muscles guessing and ensure you're hitting all the necessary angles for maximum growth. Research, such as the study conducted by YourHelt et al. In 2023, has shown that incorporating various push-up variations into your training regimen can lead to significant improvements in upper body strength and muscle development. So, don't be afraid to mix it up and challenge yourself with new variations. Your muscles will thank you for it. The science of muscle growth. Alright, buckle up because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of muscle growth, and trust me, it's more than just pumping iron. Understanding the science behind muscle hypertrophy is key to unlocking your full potential and achieving that coveted aesthetic transformation. So, how does it all work? Well, muscle hypertrophy occurs when you subject your muscles to stress or resistance, such as the resistance provided by push-ups. When you perform push-ups, you're essentially causing tiny micro-tears in your muscle fibers. It sounds counterintuitive, but these micro-tears are actually a good thing. It's how your body responds to this stress that leads to muscle growth and strength gains. But here's the kicker: muscle growth doesn't happen in the gym, it happens during recovery. After your workout, your body goes into repair mode, using nutrients from your diet to rebuild and strengthen the damaged muscle fibers. This process is known as muscle protein synthesis, and it's absolutely crucial for muscle repair and growth. Now, here's where progressive overload comes into play. To continue making gains, you need to continually challenge your muscles by increasing the demands placed on them. This could mean increasing the number of push-ups you do, performing more challenging variations, or adding external resistance like a weighted vest. Consistency is key, but so is variation. Your muscles are incredibly adaptable, so if you keep doing the same workout routine day in and day out, they'll eventually adapt and stop growing. That's why it's important to switch things up regularly, keep your workouts challenging, and progressively overload your muscles over time. Alright, we've covered the importance of exercise, but let's not forget about the other crucial pieces of the puzzle: nutrition and recovery. You see, what you do outside of the gym is just as important as what you do inside if you want to see real progress and achieve that aesthetic transformation. First up, let's talk about nutrition. Your body is like a high-performance machine, and it needs the right fuel to function at its best. That means making sure you're getting an adequate amount of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats in your diet. Protein, in particular, is essential for muscle repair and growth, so make sure you're including plenty of lean sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes in your meals. But it's not just about what you eat. When you eat matters too. Fueling your body with a balanced meal or snack containing protein and carbohydrates within an hour or two after your workout can help replenish glycogen stores and kickstart the muscle repair process. And don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day to support optimal muscle function and recovery. Speaking of recovery, let's talk about the unsung hero of fitness: rest. Your muscles need time to repair and grow stronger after a tough workout, so make sure you're getting enough quality sleep each night. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of shut-eye to give your body the time it needs to recharge and rebuild. And remember, recovery isn't just about sleep, it's also about active recovery. Incorporating activities like stretching, foam rolling, and yoga into your routine can help improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and promote faster recovery between workouts. Now, what about the potential risks or injuries associated with push-up routines? While push-ups are generally safe for most people, it's important to listen to your body and avoid pushing yourself too hard, too fast. Make sure you're using proper form, taking rest days when needed, and incorporating adequate recovery strategies like stretching and foam rolling to reduce the risk of injury. And finally, the million-dollar question: how many push-ups exactly do I need to do to start seeing results? The truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. The number of push-ups you need to do will depend on various factors, including your current fitness level, your goals, and how consistently you're training. Focus on progressing gradually, challenging yourself with each workout, and staying consistent with your routine, and trust that results will come in time. Fitness is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So, keep pushing yourself, stay focused on your vision, and never lose sight of the incredible progress you're capable of making. And hey, we'd love to hear from you. Share your progress, ask questions, or connect with fellow fitness enthusiasts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and routines. We have handpicked 2 important videos for you to enjoy. They are right there on your screen. Click now and watch. We love you.